You'll have love at first sight with the 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid. You'll be amazed by all the benefits this Accord Hybrid delivers, from its super efficient fuel economy to its comfortable, quiet, smooth, and powerful ride. The Accord Hybrid is the ideal blend of style and practicality. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, heated rear seat, premium sound system, power passenger seat, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors. Strong and stylish meets smooth and efficient in this future-focused Honda Accord Hybrid. Test drive it today.